Hey everyone, welcome back to our how-to video series for Snoooz. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up your Snoooz account. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, this tutorial will help you get started quickly and easily. Let's get started. To begin, go to snoooz.ai and click on the Start for Free button on the top right hand corner of the page. This will take you to the sign up page where you can create your account. You can choose from the 3 sign-in options. The Google sign-in is recommended if you have a Gmail account, as it will automatically create your account and sign you in. The Microsoft sign-in is ideal for users with Outlook, Hotmail, or Office 365 accounts. Lastly, you can continue with email. By entering your email address and clicking Send Login Link, you'll receive an email with a one-time login link to access your account. For this walkthrough, we are going to choose Continue with Google. Snoooz will then prompt you to log in and grant permissions. If you're a new user, your account will automatically be created and you'll proceed to the onboarding flow as you can see right here. Once logged in, Snoooz will take you through the onboarding wizard to help configure your account. These steps personalize your experience and set up key features. First, enter your name and then your role. For this example, I'll put consultant. Next, select your primary use case for Snoooz. Whether it's for email automation or out of office management, this will help ensure that the settings are tailored to your needs. Once this is done, you can click continue. After that, because we came through the Google flow, you can connect your email inbox. We do support IMAP and SMTP as well, but for Google users, we will click on the connect your Google inbox. This is then granting Snoooz permission to manage automated replies. Once that is done, you are all set. On this page, we talk about how Snoooz ensures your security. With a SOC 2 certification, GDPR compliance, and Google certified, we make sure your data is encrypted and secure. These security measures protect your email information, giving you full control of permissions so you don't have to worry about anyone stealing your data. It is completely safe. After reading through everything, you can now press continue. Before completing the setup, you'll be prompted to create your first automated reply. This ensures Snoooz is ready to handle your emails efficiently. You can choose between AI-powered responses or a personalized template. To personalize your responses, you can customize it right here, adding as much information as you want. There are also some dynamic tags you can use by just typing @, and as you can see, all the tags show up right here. You can also press on the personalized button right here, displaying all the different tags Snoooz has to offer. For example, one of the tags is sender, which is the name of the person who sent you the email. There are also other tags to make replies more relevant. If you want to learn more about the different tags that we have and what each one means, you can check out our video on how to use tags within Snoooz. After you're done here, you can press continue setup. For easier access, you can install the Snoooz Chrome extension, which allows you to manage replies directly from Gmail or Outlook. To install, press the Install Chrome extension, then press Add to Chrome, and finally press Add Extension. Once installed, the Snoooz icon will appear in your email interface, allowing you to control automation settings quickly. This extension streamlines your workflow and makes it even easier to manage your email automation. Next, you can go ahead and press Enable Snoooz to ensure that Snoooz is activated and working. Here you can set the dates of when you want Snoooz enabled. Once this is done, you can press Enable Snoooz. And that's it. You now have Snoooz set up and ready to automate your emails. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos. For further assistance, visit our help center at help.snoooz.ai. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.